Baladev Tattva. Brajendra Nandana Jai Prachisuta Haila Sai. Balaram Haila Nitai, who was formerly the son of Nanda Maharaj. He has appeared as the son of Sachidev. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's mother's name was Sachidev. Krishna. Krishna is Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. And Balaram, he is Nityananda. So Balaram, in the Vedic literature it is said, Nam Atma Balahinena Labhya Na Bahunasatena. Bala means strength. This ball, this strength is different. This is spiritual strength. A real strength is spiritual strength. That spiritual strength is Balaram. Bala means strength. Therefore, we have to take shelter of the lotus feet of Balaram. Guru Tattva. Balaram means Guru Tattva. Balaram represents Guru. Jasya Prasadat Bhagavad Prasad. If we want to understand Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, if we want to understand Krishna, then we must take shelter of Balaram. Nayam Balahinena Labha. Balahinena. Labha is Vedic injunction, means without the mercy of Balaram, you cannot understand, you cannot realize your spiritual identity. So that Balaram comes as Nityananda Prabhu. Balaram Haila Nityananda. Therefore, we must take shelter of Balaram. That is, this song has been sung by Narottam Das Thakur. Nitai Pada Kamala Koti Chandra Susi. If you take shelter of Nityananda Prabhu, then we get peace. Koti Chandra Susi. It's like in daytime, especially in the summer season, we become very much exasperated. But at night, in the evening, as soon as there is moonshine, we become very much satisfied. All day's labor and fatigue is immediately moved. So, Nitai Pada Kamala, the shade of Nityananda Prabhu, lotus feet, is Koti Chandra Shashikar, as pleasing as 1 crore of moonshine. One moonshine gives us so much pleasure. So if we want actually peace of mind, if we actually want to be free from this material fatigueness, then we must take to shelter of Nityananda. So Nityananda Prabhu is the strength, spiritual strength, and without spiritual strength, you cannot approach Krishna. Nayamatma pravacana, simply by talking nonsense. Nayamatma pravacana labhya. If you are a good speaker, that does not mean you'll understand yourself. Na medhaya, neither by good brain, because you have got very good brain, you will understand Krishna. No. Nayamatma pravacana labhya. Na medhaya. Na bahuna sutena. If you think that you are a very good scholar, university degree holder, then you will understand. No, this is not possible. So we must have spiritual strength. That source of spiritual strength is Balaram. Krishna's next manifestation, Prakash Vigraha. Krishna is manifesting himself through Balaram. So we have to take shelter of Nityananda Prabhu. Nitai Pada Kamala, Koti Chandra Susi. Je chhavaye jagat. The whole world is suffering. But if you want peace, then you take the shelter of Nityananda. Hano Nitai Mina Bhai, Radha Krishna Paite, Virakari Haro Nitai Pa. Nityananda means always. Nitya means always. Ananda means pleasure. Therefore, if you have no connection with Nityananda Prabhu, se sambandha nahi ja. Vritha janma kare. Is simply wasting time. Vritha means useless. Uselessly is wasting time. Sei pasu bada duracha. And Narottam Das Thakur has used a strong one. Anyone who has no connection with Nityananda, he is a pasu. Sei pasu. He is a pasu, means animal. The animal house, one animal can get happiness. That is not possible. The dog, from the childhood, he is searching after food. I cannot get food unless a dog has got a master He's a street dog and he's always unhappy. Better to become a dog of Nityananda Prabhu, then you shall be happy. Instead of becoming dog of so many other people, everyone is dog. Everyone is searching after to serve a master, but none of them are satisfied because that is false master. You take real master, Nityananda Prabhu, you will be happy. Say Pasu Baradurasa, he does not know where is happiness, where I shall become a dog. That our Bhaktivinoda Thakur, he has sung therefore. Vaishnava Thakur, Tomaro Kukur, Bolia Jano More. Dear Vaishnava Thakur, kindly accept me as your dog, as your dog. I am dog already, but I am Maya's dog. I am not Vaishnava's dog. So kindly accept me. If you become a Vaishnava's dog, Charya Vaishnava Seva, Nistar Peche Keva. If you do not become a dog of Vaishnava, and Nityananda Prabhu, Nityananda is Guru, so if you do not become a dog of Nityananda Prabhu, Vaishnava or Guru, there is no question of happiness. Se sambandha nahi jar, mitha janma. Sei pasu baro duracha. Nitai na bolilo mukhe, mojilo samsara. He has no connection with Nityananda Prabhu, and he does not say Jai Nitai, Jai Lo, Mojila Samsara. He thinks that this society, family, and society, friendship and love, divinely bestowed on man, this materialist person, they say like that. That is called Mojila Samsara. Samsara, there cannot be any soul, but he is attracted. Mojila Samsara. Vidya kule kikori veda. What we will do is university education, or born in a big family. It is not possible. Vidya kuleti. Why they are accepting this false? Ahankare mapta hiya. Nitai padapasariya. Asattere satya karimai. On account of being misled by false prestige and false egotism, asattere satya karimai. We are accepting this body, which does not exist, and that we have taken as reality. Ahankara matsahiya, nitai pada phasariya. But if we take center of Nityananda Prabhu, then we get the enlightenment. Asattare satya karimani, nitayar koruna have braja radha krishna prabhe. Dara nitai charan. Everybody, Narottam Thakur advises that today is Nityananda Prabhu's Abhibhav, appearance day. Let us at least remember today Nitai pada kamala. That is what Nitai Charana Satta Tahara Shivaka Nitya. The reality is Nitai Charana, and anyone who is servant of Nitai, so Nitai Charana Satta Tahara Shivaka Nitya. One who has become the dog of Nityananda Prabhu, he gets his eternal life. We are eternal, but under misconception of material identification, we are under the subjugation of Maya, Tatha Dehanta. This is very bothersome, but do not know. Going from one body to another, transmigration, and that is not guaranteed what kind of body. They have no science, no knowledge about understanding Tatha Dehanta, the very first instruction of Bhagavad Gita. They are so rusted, and they are proud of their education, their university. This is going on. Nitai Charana Sattva Tahara Shivavan. Nitai Pada Sadakarvas. Therefore, we should always expect to be under the shelter of Nitai Pada Kamala Narottama Baradurati. Narottam Das Thakur, his Acharya, he is presenting himself, that is Acharya. He is not Dukhi, but he is presenting himself as Dukhi, that is Acharya. Acharyas, they are never Dukhi. But taking the common man's position, he says, Narottama Baradurati. Or in other words, Narottam. Narottam means the best of the human being. So here, in this material world, one may be the best of the human being, very exalted position, but everyone is Dukhi, unhappy. Narottama Baradurati. Nitai Mare Karasu. Only Nityananda can make me happy. Otherwise not possible. Rakha Ranga Charanera. So, today's Nityananda Prabhu's appearance there. we shall always pray, Nityananda Prabhu, kindly keep me under your shelter, so that I am very dukhi, I am very unhappy. Under the shelter of your lotus feet, I shall be happy. And that is real happiness.